Good day, YouTube. It's kind of a dreary day here, so I thought I'd make up some brisket beef jerky. I already cut and processed my brisket into strips, and I'm just going to show you what I do for the sauce, or the brine. What I do is I take the low sodium soy sauce. This is like a teriyaki flavored almost kind of deal. I take the soy sauce, which I should have opened earlier, throw in about a cup of that. This is all in a boat recipe. Yeah, it looks like a cup. I got 4 little cloves of garlic, green onion, some brown sugar, close to about half a cup of brown sugar, a little bit more. I like it sweet. Dissolve that in some hot water. Nice fresh green onions. I should have only done one, but oh, I'll just do that much. As you can see, I use my trusty fillet knife here. Throw the onions in there, and I know people will hate the way I do my garlic, but it's just the way I've always done it. I fight with it. Take the peel off, I know. If I figure out how to fast forward it, I'll fast forward through this part. If not, you guys can painstakingly watch me as I do this. About 4 cloves should do this one just fine. Now this stuff here, when it's done, it's not really, it's going to be, I'm going to smoke it in the smokehouse. It's going to be cured to a point, but I always freeze or package it up and freeze my jerky. Pretty much indefinite shelf life then. Take it out, eat it in a couple days, it's just fine. garlic juices in there. water. Top that up with another cup of water. Now, today I am going to try something a little different. I got these handy dandy Ziploc bags that are supposed to stand up. I'm going to take my meats. Put all my meats in here. Take my stuff, and I'm hoping this ain't going to turn into a great big mess. Put it in there, massage it around. Love the meat. Maybe we'll close this and see what happens. Massage it around. Oh, this is a lot easier than using a bowl, I think. Air out. Try not to squeeze it all over the place. There we go. Okay. We got our brine going with our meat. I'm going to set that in the fridge. I might do a 6-hour. I might do a 24-hour. I might do a 12-hour. I'm kind of interested to get it on the smoker and see how she goes. I might even throw some in the dehydrator too. It tastes awesome on the dehydrator. So, we'll set that in the fridge and we'll see what happens there in 6 to 24 hours. Hey guys, a little bit of an update. Been marinating away now for about 8 hours. I've been taking it out every hour or two and just giving her a little massage here. And looking really good. The old smell test. Oh my. It smells so good. Might be putting some in the dehydrator there tonight, and the other stuff I'm going to let marinate overnight and do in the smokehouse tomorrow. I will more than likely wash up a couple of the racks there for the dehydrator. Throw it in there. I'll show you that in a little bit. Right out. Okay, I decided I'm going to do. I just did up 12 pieces of jerky and on 3 racks. I'm just going to throw that in the dehydrator there, and maybe I'll give you an update in a few hours or whatever. It should take pretty close to a day to dry them all out, so I'll give you an update later. Alright, here we are, folks. This is the dehydrated beef jerky about 14 hours later. Turned out really good. Tastes awesome. It's about 24 hours. Well, it's just over 24 hours now. I got the jerky on the smoke rack. I'm going to go set this up and we'll get this started smoking. Okay, so we'll let that smoke up for a couple hours and we'll see what we get. Here we are at the approximately 2-hour mark. That's about 200 degrees right now. I'm just going to see how the chips are doing and see if I have to add any more. I'll give those a little stir. Everything's looking pretty good up there. Alright, here we are. We got a, what was it now? Oh, about a 3-hour, 4-hour smoke on this. I'm just going to shut her down because I have to go to Thanksgiving dinner today at my cousin's, so. Canadian Thanksgiving. No! Smells awesome. No. Tastes amazing hot. It's going to taste even better when it's cold. There's only one problem with keeping your smokehouse in your garage is that every time you go into your garage you get hungry. Well, there's the finished project. Finished product. Brisket jerky. Tastes amazing. Well, have a good one, guys, and happy Walking Dead Day too.